Okay, I have my access database, right, open. Only one table, S table, and I have 3 records so far inside here. Okay, simple ID, name, date of birth. Alright. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just going to add another record. Okay, just add another record. Let's say CCC, and okay, today's date. Okay, done. All right, so I have 4 record. One, okay, record ID 2, 3, 7, and 8. Okay, so now I'm going to delete. Okay, so I'm going to come to this record, which is BBB, and I'm going to delete this record. Alright, so I will not be able to undo. You can see that. So it asks me, sure, yes, done, got. Alright, and there is no undo feature inside here. Okay, so far that is the way it works. So now, okay, based on the feature, alright, of Stella, okay, alright, the repair, I should be able to identify what I have deleted. Alright, so I'm just gonna call Stella out. Alright, Stella. Okay, and just to make sure that I don't cause any problem. Okay, is Stella running? Okay, Stella is running. Oh, okay, so I need to, okay, fine. Alright, I'll close this. And where is Stella again? Oh, here it is. Alright, so I'll run Stella. And okay, select database. Alright, let me browse to my computer. Okay, document. And here, this is the one I'm using just now. I'll open it. Okay, and I will do a repair. Okay, all right, let's have a look. All right, so this is the database. I have one table inside there. Yes, record 2, 3, and 8, and it says that they are deleted record. All right, and this, okay, yes, okay, I have a number of deleted record inside there, and this is the one that I just deleted. Okay, this is the one I have just deleted. Okay, but previously there are 3, right, which is record ID 4, 5, and 6. They were deleted. All right, and well, okay, so the it is able, all right, to identify record that has been deleted. Okay, so basically this feature actually works. Okay, so 2 thumbs up, all right, because it is always tricky, all right, especially when we accidentally delete a record, and then okay, we how to put it back in, because there is no undo button in the access, and later on we probably have to go and dig up on our backup feature. But at least here I can see the record, I can just manually key it in again.